Hi guys, we are finally back with the ranking noob skins video. Sorry guys, I'm going to try to make this a good video. I don't like inverted really. Trapped looks a bit cool. I love the classic and retro skins. Caddy's a tier. IDKY Combat Dummy just looks so cool, and it's a cool concept. I really like Imaken's big head. Spiders is just really funny law. Again, I really like the classic and retro skins. I also like the Christmas skins too, especially Elf. IDK what to say about noob cosplay. VIP looks cool. G-Ace A for player, IDK what to say. Newbie looks cool. IDK what this skin is called, but it looks cool. Again at what this skin is called, but it looks cool. Again IDK what this skin is called, but it looks cool. I like fancy a little bit. Another skin that looks cool, but IDK the name. Bloxy Cola Addiction is kinda funny law. Spy looks cool, and why does it remind me of TF to Spy? IDK this one's name. Same as this one. I love Lucas and the Earthbound references. I like Party Noob. Token is definitely my favorite, IDKY. IDK what to say about Easter Noob, but it is unique. Well, that was the Noob Skins Forsaken tier list. I hope that you guys enjoyed.